Web development is a dynamic field that keeps evolving every day. There are a lot of things to learn in web development, and the best way to approach it is to break it down into small pieces. In this roadmap, we will cover all the essential areas that one needs to know in web development. One, HTML and CSS. HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are the building blocks of web development. HTML is used to structure the content of a web page, while CSS is used for styling the page. To become a web developer, you need to have a solid understanding of HTML and CSS. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to make web pages interactive. It is an essential component of web development, and you need to know it to create dynamic websites. JavaScript can be used to create animations, validate forms, and add interactivity to web pages. 3. Front-end frameworks. Front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular can help you build complex web applications quickly. These frameworks are built on top of JavaScript and provide a structure for building modern web applications. Learning one of these frameworks can give you an edge in the job market. 4. Backend Development. Backend development involves creating the server side of web applications. It involves working with programming languages like Python, Ruby, and Node.js. You also need to know how to work with databases like MySQL and MongoDB. Backend development is a critical component of web development and is essential for building complex web applications. 5. APIs. APIs, application programming interfaces, are used to connect web applications to external services. You need to know how to work with APIs to create robust web applications. RESTful APIs are the most common type of API used in web development. 6. Version control. Version control systems like Git are used to manage code changes in web development. Git allows you to track changes, collaborate with other developers, and revert to previous versions of your code. Knowing how to use Git is essential for any web developer. 7. Web security. Web security is essential to protect your web applications from attacks. You need to know how to implement security measures like encryption, authentication, and authorization to protect your web applications. You also need to know how to identify and fix vulnerabilities in your web applications. Finally, web development is a vast field, and there is always something new to learn. This roadmap covers all the essential areas that one needs to know to become a web developer. Keep learning, practicing, and building, and you will be on your way to becoming a successful web developer.